Patience. The journey begins with the harvest. We then crush the cane, boil the juice for evaporation, and spin it in.
The journey begins as massive convoys transport the freshly harvested sugarcane from the field. Inside the clarifier tank, heavy impurities settle as mud, brown sludge, while clear juice rises to the top. As the lime disperses, impurities bind together, forming flocks that begin to settle. The concentrated sugar solution, now a thick golden syrup, is transferred to the vacuum pan for crystallization. Fine seed crystals are added to the thick syrup. Under vacuum, these seeds begin to attract the sucrose, initiating the crystallization process. With crystal growth complete, the thick masquite is released via heavy valves for the next stage of cooling crystallization.
Here's your order, 50 kilos of mega sugar.
Perfect. Put it right here.
Fresh sugar, best price in the market.
The fermented wash now enters the distillation stage, where towering columns use intense heat.
Did you see the look on his face when the steam went off?
I almost dropped my helmet. He jumped so high.
Y'all are terrible. That wasn't even funny.
Taste this, it's just right.
He really enjoys the kheer. Ma.
After processing, the crystal sugar is packed into massive containers for the global export stage.
From the fields to tables across the globe, Mega Sugar brings sweetness to millions of lives every day. With massive production capabilities, our crystal sugar is packaged and distributed globally, reaching markets from Kenya to South America. Here we see the sugar syrup mixing directly into the carbonated beverage system, a crucial step before the liquid is channeled to the high-speed bottling lines.
This tea is perfect with the sugar, honey.
Here you go, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom. This jam is the best.
To truly understand the process, we must first return to the raw origin, the sugarcane field itself.